Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Victor Fitzgerald, and this week's review is going to be a web browser, which is a little bit of a change in pace from my usual reviews. And the reason for this is because I think that the Dolphin web browser, which is today's review, will add a lot to your workflow and allow you to do a wide range of things that you can't do with your standard browser. Now, I am a Chrome user. I love Google Chrome. I use it for almost everything on all of my devices. Now, that being said, I use Google Chrome on my iPad still, but Dolphin is the one that I turn to for everything that I do, and only if websites don't load properly or have issues will I ever revert to Chrome. Now, the beauty of Dolphin is that it has an extension. So in the Chrome App Store and the Chrome Web Store, you can go ahead and download the Dolphin bookmark and send to browser plugin. Now, what that will do is it'll allow you to connect things that you do in Google Chrome with the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. So you can send things between the two relatively quickly. Now, that being said, I have the browser open right now, and I'm going to walk you through some of the process. Now, it is very straightforward. It is basically a browser. Okay, you're going to go there, you're going to search the internet, you're going to look up books while you're at a book club meeting, you're going to type in whatever you want, you're going to visit your email, you're going to go to Google Drive. All of those things will happen and will work just fine within Chrome or Dolphin. Now, where Dolphin stands out is what you can do once you have those pages. Now, I'm going to walk you through the menu icons in the upper right corner. So the first ones here are a little bit different than what you will see in a lot of other places. So one is send to device, so I can send it to another device that has this on it. I can do a Wi-Fi broadcast, which interestingly allows me to send this page to other users in the area, okay, which is an amazing application and has great use in the classroom and for presentations and things like that. So keep that in mind with the Dolphin browser. Now, if I press the finger button there on the side, I can go ahead and add a bunch of things with just my gestures. Now, those gestures can be things that I want to add to allow specific scripting and quick access to a bunch of features within the app itself. The next button is your traditional settings. That's brightness, it's private browsing, if you want it to be full screen, manage your downloads, all that stuff. Now, what you can do though is go ahead and manage your account, which will allow you to pull up accounts that integrate directly with Dolphin. Now you can add Evernote directly, so you can save resources directly to your Evernote account. You can add Facebook, Twitter, and Box to share things as you're going and browsing the web. Now, since I'm looking up Nostromo, and I have it here on Wikipedia, I'm going to go ahead and save this article to my Evernote account with the classic share button. Now, when I click share, I have the option to send it to Evernote, to email it, to Facebook it, tweet it, or send it to Box. So I'm going to go ahead and send it to Evernote. You'll see if you're paying attention to all of my videos that the functionality is very similar to the web clipper for Evernote or the functions you'll get within Cloud Magic, where you can select the notebook you would like to send this to, as well as tags and any additional comments that you would like to make. Now, you can also change what is going to happen. So I can go ahead and just annotate directly on this document as I'm saving it, and then go ahead and hit save. And what you will notice is that the image is also saved when I save this to my Evernote, so that I can go ahead and add all of that together to make the best option. I can change my note title. I can do a wide range of things from directly within this application. Overall, I feel like the Dolphin browser is a more powerful browser than any of the others that are currently on the market because it integrates with other services that I use. Now, that being said, if you don't use some of these services, especially Evernote, you're not going to find this as powerful. The Wi-Fi broadcast is another fantastic tool in being able to use and share websites with students and groups in presentations. So I think Dolphin Browser can definitely add to your productivity and workflow. If you have any questions about this review or questions in general, feel free to either post a comment or visit us at victorfitzgerald.com. Thanks for tuning in.